everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14E from chapter Equation of a Line. So let's start with question number 39. In the figure given, ABC is a triangle and BC is parallel to the y-axis. AB and AC intersect the y-axis at P and Q respectively. First part, write the coordinates of A. Second part, find the length of AB and AC. Third part, find the ratio in which Q divides AC. Fourth part, find the equation of the line AC. We are given the figure, so let's see what we have to find first. Coordinates of A. बहुत easy है. A lies on x axis, so y coordinate 0 हो जाएगा and x coordinate is 4. So 4, 0 are the coordinates of A. Write down A is 4, 0 and also write down the statement. The coordinates of A are 4, 0. Okay. Second part, find the length of AB and AC. AB and AC का length find out करना है. For that we'll use distance formula. Okay. So again this is very easy. A and B का coordinates पता है, so AB का length पहले find out करते हैं. So write down A is 4, 0 and B is -2, 3. So length of AB by distance formula. Square root of, subtracting x coordinates, 4 minus -2 the whole का square plus 0 minus 3 the whole का square. So that will give minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So 4 plus 2 the whole का square plus 0 minus 3 is nothing but -3 का square. Okay. Four plus 2 is 6. 6 square plus नेगेटिव का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव ही होगा, सो इट विल गिव 9. ओके. लेंथ ऑफ ए बी विल बी 6 का स्क्वायर 36 प्लस 9. ओके. सो लेंथ ऑफ ए बी विल बी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 45. ओके. सो ओवर हियर 45 को फैक्टराइज करो, सो यू शुड गेट 3√5. Okay, units, don't forget to write units. All right, so length of AB we are getting as 3√5 units. All you have to do is factorize. 3 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. So 2 का ग्रुप बनाओ, एक ही 3 बाहर आएगा, 1 3 and 5 remains inside the root. Okay, so we got the length of AB. Box कर दो 3√5 units, and same way we'll find the length of AC. So now we'll find length of AC. So write down the coordinates of A and C. A is 4, 0 and C is -2, -4. So length of AC will be square root of 4 minus -2 the whole का square plus 0 minus -4 the whole का square. Okay. So length of AC is equal to square root of 4 minus plus हो जाएगा plus 2 the whole का square plus 0 minus plus, so 0 plus 4 the whole का square. So length of AC will be square root of 6 का square plus 4 का square. So that is 36 plus 16. So that will give 52. Okay. Again factorize this. 2 26s are, 2 13s are, 13 1s are. So 2 का ग्रुप बनाओ, एक ही 2 बाहर आएगा and 13 will remain inside. Okay. So length of AC is 2√13 units. Don't forget this. Box कर दो. After this, write down the statement. The length of AB and AC is 3 root 5 units and 2 root 13 units respectively. Okay, so don't forget to write down the statement. Now we'll proceed to the third part of the question. Find the ratio in which Q divides AC. For third part, we need to find the ratio in which Q divides AC. So there is AC and Q is lying somewhere in between. You need to find the ratio in which Q divides AC. So A से start करना है. So it's better that you draw the segment AC separately. Okay. So AC and there is Q in between. A का coordinates है 4,0. C का coordinates है -2, -4. Okay. Now Q is dividing AC in some ratio. Let's say the ratio is m:n. Over here you have to apply section formula to find m and n. Okay. So m and n find out करने के लिए we'll be using coordinates of Q. Okay. So you need to know at least one coordinate of Q. Q lies on y axis, तो x coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा, है ना? So we know x coordinate of Q 0 होगा, alright, and it has some y coordinate, but x coordinate will be 0. So let us find out what will be the x coordinate of Q by section formula. Take A का coordinates as x1, y1 and C का coordinates as x2, y2. So by section formula Q का x coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, right? Cross and then add m and n. Okay, so ये हो जाएगा x coordinate of Q, but we know x coordinate of Q is 0, so 0 is equal to this. Okay, so 0 is equal to m into x2 is -2 and n into x1 is 4 अपॉन m प्लस n. m प्लस n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो 0 इंटू m प्लस n इज 0 एंड ओवर योर -2m प्लस 4n. 2m को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, सो 2m इज इक्वल टू 4n. देयरफॉर m अपॉन n विल बी 4 अपॉन 2. ओके, सो दैट विल गिव m अपॉन n इक्वल्स टू 2 अपॉन 1. सो द रेशियो इज 2:1. Alright, so go in correct order. They have asked find the ratio in which Q divides AC. So ऐसे है. Okay, normally the segment that is given to us is like this for section formula. So be very careful when you're solving. Alright, so this is how you will get the ratio. So let us solve now with proper steps. It's better that you draw a rough figure for third part of the question and we'll write down a few statements. A का coordinates we are taking as x1, y1, C का coordinates as x2, y2. Q is dividing AC in the ratio m:n and Q lies on y axis, so x coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. Now Q का x coordinate by section formula क्या होगा? So write down by section formula x coordinate of Q will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, right? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So it will be m into x2 is -2 plus n into x1 is 4 upon m plus n. That will give -2m plus 4n upon m plus n. Okay, but we know x coordinate of Q is 0. So therefore 0 is equal to -2m plus 4n upon m plus n. We already wrote over here x coordinate of Q is 0. So 0 will be equal to this. Okay. Shifting m plus n on the other side, 0 into m plus n 0 हो जाएगा. So 0 is equal to -2m plus 4n. 2m will shift, so positive हो जाएगा. m upon n is equal to 4 upon 2. That is m upon n is equal to 2 upon 1. Okay, so we got the ratio in which Q divides AC. So write down Q divides AC in the ratio 2:1. Okay, Now we'll proceed to the last part of the question. Find the equation of the line AC. AC का equation find out करना है. We know A का coordinates, we know C का coordinates, we can easily find slope. Once you get the slope, take any one point का coordinates as x1, y1 and frame the equation. Okay. So for AC, write down the coordinates of A and C. First we'll find the slope. Okay. So slope of AC. First we'll subtract y coordinates, -4 -0 upon -2 -4. So that will give -4 upon -6. So 2 2s are 2 3s are and minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So 2 upon 3. Okay. So slope of the line AC we got. Take any one point का coordinates as x1 y1. I'll take A का coordinates as x1 y1. So write down for line AC, M is 2 upon 3 and A 4, 0 is x1 y1. Okay. So what will be the equation of the line? The equation of line AC is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y1 has 0, m is 2 upon 3, x minus x1 is 4. 3 will shift over here, so just put brackets. 3 into y minus 0 is nothing but y, so 3y हो जाएगा and 2 into x minus 4, so 3y is equal to 2x minus 8. Okay, box this will be the equation of the line. All right, you can write it in different manner also. 3y को यहाँ पे shift करो, 8 को यहाँ पे shift करो, so 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. That is how it is given in your textbook. Okay, so either ways it is correct. All right, box कर दो equation को. Write down the final statement. The equation of the line AC is 3y equals to 2x minus 8. Next question, question number 40. The slope of a line joining P6, K and Q1 minus 3K, 3 is half. Find first part K, second part midpoint of PQ using the value of K found in 1. It's a very easy question. There's a line joining 2 points P and Q. So let's draw the line. There's a line joining P and Q. P का coordinates है 6, K. Q का coordinates है 1 minus 3K, 3. We are told that the slope of the line joining P and Q is half. So slope we are given m is half. First we need to find K का value. Take P का coordinates as x1 y1, Q का coordinates as x2 y2. Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Put the values of x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, and m का value भी put करो, m is half. On solving you will get k का value. Okay, so first part is very easy, k मिल जाएगा from the slope. So once you get k, we need to find midpoint of PQ using the value of k found in 1. So once you get k, write down the coordinates of P and Q. Okay, P का coordinates proper लिखो value, k की जगह पे जो भी value मिल रहा है, Q का भी लिखो coordinates. So write down the coordinates of P and Q. Once you have P and Q का coordinates, you can easily find midpoint का coordinates. PQ का midpoint find out करना है. Midpoint find out करना है means midpoint का coordinates find out करना है. Okay, so let's say M is the midpoint. M का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? It is midpoint, therefore add the x coordinates of P and Q, divide by 2. Add the y coordinates of P and Q, divide by 2. Very easy. Okay, so एक बार k मिल गया, then normal values लिखो and then add and divide by 2. Add y coordinate and divide by 2. Okay, first we'll find the value of k from the slope. So we know P का coordinates, we are taking it as x1 y1. We know Q का coordinates, we are taking it as x2 y2. All right, slope we know is half. So using the formula of slope now, slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. M is half, y2 is 3, y1 is k, x2 is 1 minus 3k and x1 is 6. So half is equal to 3 minus k upon 1 minus 6 हो जाएगा minus 5 minus 3k. Put brackets, we'll cross multiply. So 1 into minus 5 minus 3k equals to 2 into 3 minus k. So minus 5 minus 3k equals to 6 minus 2k. So k we'll group and numbers on the other side. So minus 5 minus 6 equals to 3k minus 2k. So that will give minus 11 equals to k. Switch the sides, k is equal to minus 11. Box kar do, we got the value of k. Okay. So write down the statement, the value of k is minus 11. Okay, I'm not writing down the statement. Now we'll proceed to the second part of the question. Now let us write down the coordinates of p and q. So p is 6 comma k. So it will become 6 comma minus 11, right? Q is 1 minus 3k comma 3. So 1 minus 3 into minus 11 comma 3 हो जाएगा, है ना? So that will give you minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 11s are 33. So 1 plus 33 is 34. So 34 comma 3 हो जाएगा Q का coordinates. We need the coordinates because we need to find out the midpoint of PQ. That is coordinates of midpoint of PQ find out करना है. Let's say M is the midpoint of PQ. So write down, let M be the midpoint of PQ. So by midpoint formula M का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? By midpoint formula M का coordinates हो जाएगा, adding the x coordinates of P and Q, 6 plus 34 divided by 2 and adding the y coordinates dividing by 2. So minus 11 plus 3 divided by 2. So that will give 6 plus 34 is 40 upon 2 and this will be minus 8 upon 2. So that will give 20 comma minus 4. Okay, so box kar do, write down the statement after this. The coordinates of the midpoint of PQ are 20 comma minus 4. All right, let's solve the next question. Question number 41. A line AB meets x axis at A and y axis at B. P4 comma minus 1 divides AB in the ratio 1:2. First part, find the coordinates of A and B. Second part, find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. There is a figure given. There's a line passing through P and it meets x axis at A and y axis at B. So A lies on x axis, therefore y coordinate 0 हो जाएगा, है ना? So y coordinate 0 होगा and x coordinate, let's say it is small a. Okay. Same way B lies on y axis. So x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be, let's say, small b. Okay, we need to find the coordinates of A and B. First part, we need to find that. So for that, what information is given to us? We are told that P4 comma minus 1 divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. A से start करना है, AB. Okay, so AP 1, PB 2. Okay, so it's better that you draw AB separately. Okay, so I'll draw it separately over here. AB है and P is dividing AB in the ratio 1:2. That is how it is given. Okay, A का coordinate small a comma 0, B का coordinate 0 comma small b, P का coordinates है 4 comma minus 1. वी नो द रेशियो m/n. A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1 y1 ले लेते हैं, B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2 y2. So this I'll take as x1 y1 and B का coordinates as x2 y2. Use section formula. Okay, so by section formula P का coordinates क्या होगा? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. पुट करो वैल्यूज़ को. m is 1, x2 is 0 plus n is 2, x1 is a upon 1 plus 2. Over here m is 1, y2 is b plus n is 2 and y1 is 0 upon m plus n. So on solving you will get 2a upon 3 comma b upon 3. m plus n is 1 plus 2, sorry. So 3. p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स ये मिल रहा है, बट वी ऑलरेडी नो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ p. p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 4 कॉमा -1. सो वी नो दैट 4 इज इक्वल टू 2a upon 3 and -1 इज इक्वल टू b upon 3. सॉल्व करो, यू विल गेट स्मॉल a एंड स्मॉल b का वैल्यूज. सो वंस यू गेट a एंड b का वैल्यूज, यू नो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट a एंड पॉइंट b. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट मिल जाएगा, बहुत ईजी है. ओके, you have to just apply section formula. All right, so second part, find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. So there is a line which is passing through P and is perpendicular to AB. इसका equation find out करना है. So to find the equation of this line, I need slope, and we know that perpendicular lines का slopes are related. The product of the slope is equal to -1. So to find the slope of this perpendicular line, I need to know the slope of AB. Okay, so AB का slope I'll easily get because I know A का coordinates, I know B का coordinates. I'll get it in first part only. So slope मुझे easily मिल जाएगा AB का. Once I get AB का slope, ये perpendicular line का slope negative reciprocal होगा. जो भी AB का slope होगा उसका reciprocal कर दो and change the sign. Okay, so you will get the slope of this perpendicular line. Once you get the slope of perpendicular line, we know P lies on this perpendicular line. So we know x1, y1, we know the coordinates. We have x1, y1, we have the slope. We can easily frame the equation using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. x1, y1 will be the coordinates of P. M will be the slope. Put the values, you will get the equation. Okay, so let us solve now. First, we'll find the coordinates of A and B using section formula. So there are a few statements that you have to write down. A का coordinates we are taking as a comma 0, which is x1 y1, and B का coordinates 0 comma b, which is x2 y2. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2, therefore m/n is 1:2. P का coordinates is given. By section formula P का coordinates क्या होगा? So write down the formula. Put the values of m, n, x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay. On solving, you will get 4 is equal to 2a upon 3 and -1 is equal to b upon 3. So a and b का values अब find out करते हैं. All right, we'll equate. So 4 into 3 upon 2 is equal to a, and -1 into 3 is equal to b, that is -3 is equal to b. Okay, so b का value -3 मिल रहा है. a का value you will get as 6. So a is 6 and b is equal to -3. All right, so we got small a का value, it is 6 and b is -3. Okay, so now we got the coordinates of a and b. All right, we have to write it down now. So therefore a comma 0 is 6 comma 0 and b 0 comma b is 0 comma -3. Okay, all you have to do is put a का value and put b का value. Okay, so a and b का coordinates मिल गया. First part we solved. Okay, so write down the coordinates of a and b are, पहले a का coordinates लिखो 6 comma 0 and then b का coordinates 0 comma -3 respectively. Okay, don't forget the statement. So first part we got. Second part, find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. There is a line passing through P and perpendicular to AB. For that we need slope of this perpendicular line. Slope we'll get from slope of AB. So पहले AB का slope find out करते हैं. So write down for AB. A is 6, 0. B is 0, -3. So slope of AB क्या हो जाएगा? Subtracting y coordinates first, -3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 6. That will give -3 upon -6. So it becomes half. Okay. So slope of AB half हो जाएगा. Minus minus cancel हो जाएगा. Basically minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. Okay. So slope of AB we got half. Now we'll find the slope of the line perpendicular to it. It will become negative reciprocal. हाफ का रेसिप्रोकल 2 हो जाएगा एंड साइन विल चेंज. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है सो माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB एंड देन फ्रेम द इक्वेशन. सो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB will be -1 upon slope of AB. Okay. रेसिप्रोकल कर दो एंड नेगेटिव साइन कर दो. सो -1 अपॉन स्लोप ऑफ AB वी गॉट हाफ. ओके. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट -1 डिवाइडेड बाय हाफ. दैट इज -1 into 2 upon 1. दैट गिव्स -2. ओके. सो वी गॉट द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. ये मिल गया है. दैट इज M is equal to -2. P का कोऑर्डिनेट्स वील टेक एज x1 y1 एंड फ्रेम द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन. ओके. For line passing through P4, -1 and perpendicular to AB, we got the slope, it is -2, and P का coordinates we'll take as x1 y1. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 है -1, m is -2, x minus x1 is 4. So माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. -2x प्लस 8. साइंस विल चेंज. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव एंड यहाँ पे माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके. x वाला टर्म नेगेटिव है सो आई शिफ्ट इट ऑन द अदर साइड. इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिव एंड 1 आई विल शिफ्ट ओवर हियर. सो 8 minus 1. सो 2x plus y equals to 7. बॉक्स कर दो. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. ओके. So this is the second part of the question. Write down the statement. The equation of the line is 2x plus y equals to 7. Okay.